Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to take your new Adosia IoT hardware and get it connected to the Adosia IoT platform. This is the very first thing you guys are going to want to do before you start building out your IoT systems. So the first step is we're just going to get power to the board. So we take the AC power supply and just kind of unravel this wire here, get it plugged into a power source and plug it into the rear of the board. Simple as that. Now the device is going to power up and you're going to see a purple light. That's telling you the device is entered into a Wi-Fi config mode. So now we take our mobile phone and we connect to the Adosia network that this device has created. Okay, as you can see, the device has created a Wi-Fi network, Adosia 43760. Let's go ahead and join that network with the phone. The password is auto water. So once you get that set up, the device should automatically open a web page to configure your device. On some Android devices, this doesn't happen. The way to get around that is just simply click on the network that you've just connected to, and down here there's a little manage router button, but as long as you enter that URL into a browser or click on it, it will load the test page. So now once you have your test page up, what you do is you just enter your account email. Okay, so we're gonna enter our email for the Adosia IoT account that we want to connect the device to, and just click save email. You'll notice up here test4@test.com. make sure that email is good. Confirm Adosia IoT email, and it's going to take you to the Wi-Fi config page. We're going to hook up to this Adosia Linksys network, and I'm going to enter my password. Okay, I've got my password entered, and simply just click connect to Wi-Fi, and you'll notice once the device successfully connects, it'll start blinking green. So that purple light will change to a green, and so let's just wait here just a second. And okay, so we entered our Wi-Fi credentials correctly and we have connected to the Adosia platform. So now the final step is we simply log into Adosia and activate the device. Okay, we're logged into our Adosia platform, and now you can see we've got devices pending activation, and all we need to do is activate them and give them a profile. Since we recently signed up, we've got a device profile that was automatically created for us. You can see the space device profile, it's already selected. So let's just give the device a name, and let's call him Bobby. And just click activate device, and there you go. We've got Bobby activated, he's ready to go, so we can go in and give him a new profile if we wanted to. We don't have any other profiles set up, we've just got one, but we would create new profiles and take it from there.